Hello mga ka-techie! Welcome back to my channel. Sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe, subscribe na kayo guys because we got another unboxing here, another new phone, and of course, another giveaway. So, unbox na natin to! So I got this new phone from Asus ROG Phone 5. Besides the phone guys, ang naabutan ko na lang freebie is this Aero Active Cooler. Kasi hindi ako nakakuha nung initial pre-order. Parang ito na lang yung mismong release day units na ito na lang ang freebie. Unfortunately, mas maraming freebies kung nag-pre-order ka. Anyway, besides these two, I also have another box here. And this will be our giveaway on this video. So, wireless earphones. Ayan ang ating giveaway on this video, and of course, I will give the instructions later on this video, so you have to stick around. I-unbox muna natin itong Aero Active Cooler. It's good na nakuha ko to as a freebie dahil kung hindi at gusto nyo talagang gumamit nito sa inyong ROG phones, this costs around 2,495. Ayan. We will try to take a picture of this with the phone itself at ipopost ko siya sa aking Facebook page, Miss Techie. So, follow me there, guys. There are 3 variants of this ROG Phone 5. 2 are classic and the top one is the ultimate version. I have a classic one, pero hindi ito yung base model. Base model costs around 39,995. This one is 49,995. So, ano bang difference from the 39,995 to the 49,995? The 39,995 or the 40,000 is 8 GB RAM and 128 GB ROM, habang ito naman ay 16 GB RAM at 256 GB ang ROM. Both the classic versions or the classic variants comes in 2 colors, the Phantom Black and Storm White. While the ultimate version is on Storm White only, and that costs 59,995. Also, the ultimate version is on 16 GB RAM and 512 GB ROM. The classic versions are already here in the Philippines, but the ultimate around August pa daw. So, we're still waiting kung dating ay sa August or madedelay pa. So, balik tayo sa mismong unit. At kung mapapansin nyo, it's a typical phone box. Unlike ng mga ROG phones before na iba or kakaiba yung shape, what we have here is a rectangular box. But of course, we have this reflective logo ng ROG. And we have 05 here. We have the ROG Phone 5 here. We have ROG Phone 5 here. And some other things. So to open it, you just have to flip the cover in front, ayan. And kung mapapansin nyo, merong graphics here. This one is Akira. And on this side, guys, we have for those who dare. Ang kanilang slogan. And inside, we have the ejector pin. We also have some manuals, stickers, and other papers inside a typical phone box. And of course, we have the Aero case. So, inside the box, we also have the phone. Kita nyo na, white siya. Itabi muna natin. Ang natitira, tignan natin kung ano. We have here a port cover. We also have here the USB Type-C cable. Para siyang braided at talaga namang mukhang heavy duty. USB Type-C on both ends. And of course, we have here the big adapter, power adapter of the ROG Phone 5. The logo. And here, ROG. This one, guys, is 65 watts. And let's go back to the phone itself. It's on plastic. And yung pagka-white niya, may pagka-glossy na may pagka-bluish ang dating. So, ayan siya guys. Although glossy siya, yung material niya hindi ganoon ka-fingerprint magnet. In front, black na black lang. I'm checking but there's no pre-installed screen protector here. For the buttons guys, we have here the volume rocker, the power button. And at the bottom guys, we have the 3.5mm jack and the USB Type-C port. On this other side, we have the slot for the SIM. Ang ganda. It's a different color. And on top, we also have another hole. I believe this one is for the speaker or for the mic. At the back, guys, we have the 64 megapixel camera. And in fairness, Sony ang kanilang hardware. And in front, we have a 24 megapixel front camera. I will try to post some pictures on my Facebook page, Miss Techie, using the front and the back camera of this phone. Tingnan natin kung maganda pa rin siya, although ang target niya ay for gaming. Tingnan nyo guys, ang ganda diba? Metallic siya. At ang ganda ng pagka-blue niya. We have a dual nano SIM here. So of course, meron tong fingerprint scanner at face recognition. Pagdating naman sa battery guys, this phone has 6,000 mAh battery, power delivery na rin siya at quick charge 5.0. So let's try to turn this on guys. So umiilaw na siya sa likod. Galing. Ang cool ng phone na to. Parang ang cool mo pag ganito yung phone mo. Ooh, it's making a sound too. So after the setup pages, we have this. So it's a welcome page and it's asking me to swipe up. It's asking for certain things. Kung anong model daw itong aking ROG phone. I have the classic version. And it's asking me to prepare the box. So, nagpapascan siya guys. Ayan, gumagalaw yung graphics on the phone screen. Pag tinapat mo. Kulit. Ang cool lang, di ba? Baka naman nakakita ng phone na ganyan ka-cool. Setup pa lang guys ha. At ayun si Akira. So nagpa-landscape naman siya ngayon at pinapakita niya ulit si Akira. Ang ganda ng sounds niya no guys. And nagbabibrate din siya on my hand. So nagpapa-set up siya ng air triggers. Ang kulit talaga ng phone na to. And we have it set up. Yung mga finishing touches, of course, ako na lang gagawa. Ang ganda ng display niya, guys. Right now, it's on dark theme or dark mode. Yung magandang glass display nito, guys, is 6.78 inches Samsung AMOLED display. And gumamit sila ng Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. So, this is my iPhone 12 Pro Max. And this is the ROG Phone 5. So, kung mapapansin nyo, malaki pa rin yung kahabaan or yung taas ng ROG Phone. Pero sa lapad, parang mas malapad itong aking iPhone 12 Pro Max. Sa bigat, halos magkasing bigat sila guys. And as much as I want to be more technical pagdating sa phone na to, I'm so sorry. I will try to post a link on the description box for you to know more about this phone. But right now, unboxing lang muna, initial setup. I will try to post some sample pics, sample videos on my Facebook page. You can check it there. Some more pics of the phone itself para makita nyo yung kanyang ganda. And let's go back to the instructions pagdating naman sa ating giveaway. So for you to be able to get a chance in winning this wireless earphones, all you have to do guys is of course you need to be subscribed. Like this video, share this video on your social media accounts. Be sure it's on public so I can check and leave a comment down below. Anong masasabi nyo dito sa Asus ROG Phone 5? Ang ganda niya, no? And gusto ko talaga ng white siya. Before I forgot, guys, shout out lang sa mga kateki dyan.
Kay Cute Cat, ang hirap sabihin nun ha, pero ito avid kateki to, matagal ko na nakikita sa group, and as far as I know, nanalo na siya once sa ating giveaway or raffles. And kay Hermie Angelo Barona, Both of them are on Instagram, on my Facebook page naman. Of course, kay Ray Ann Espina Eliado. Matagal na rin tong kateki, thank you for staying. And of course, kay Manlin Goki, kay Loveres or Loveres Line, kay Apple Binos, hi madam, matagal nang kateki yan. Kay Crisel Robles, isa siya sa mga latest winners ng ating mga giveaways. Also, kay Zara May Cruz Castillo, sa mga taga Bulacan, hi guys. Kay Ronald Sangil Bodino, kay Presi Mahartin Linuay John Rex, kay Sunny Rose MB, dati pang kateki ito, thank you ma'am. Kay Dayan Morcilia Monilia, dati na rin tong kateki. Kay Don Jose Bernal, kay Jason Aquino, boss, thank you for staying. Kay Cesar Senya Santos, kay J. Hani Agay, kay Elmay Baroa, Rose Amido Lazaro, kay Jairus Yaneza, kay Kian Renzo, Alvin or Alvin, dati na rin tong kateki, lagi itong nanonood ng mga videos natin. Kay Irvin Kimson, mga kateki, thank you for following my Facebook page, my Instagram, and subscribing on my YouTube channel.
So again guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope to see you again on my next video. And keep safe everyone. Bye bye mga kateki!